I'm opening my iPhone control center, and currently here we can see my Wi-Fi control. And if you want to add Wi-Fi control separately in your control center, then from control center here is no option to add Wi-Fi separately. So all you have to open the shortcuts app. So open the shortcut app and select shortcut. Now tap on this plus icon to create a new shortcut. Here tap on search actions and type here Wi-Fi. Now add the set Wi-Fi action. Now tap on turn, and here you have to select toggle. Now tap on this arrow icon next to set Wi-Fi at the top and tap on rename, and I'm giving name Wi-Fi, then tap on done. Now to add a icon to this shortcut, again tap on this arrow icon and this time tap on choose icon, and here you can change color and tap on this search symbols box and type here Wi-Fi or connectivity, or you can just scroll down and go to connectivity section, and here you will find Wi-Fi symbol. Select Wi-Fi symbol, tap on done and tap on done, and here we can see the shortcut successfully created. And now it's time to add this Wi-Fi shortcut to our control center. So open your control center, and now I'm going to turning off my Wi-Fi first of all. Okay, as you can see my Wi-Fi turned off. Now go to your control center, long press on an empty space, tap on add a control, and here tap on search controls and type here shortcut and tap on shortcut, tap on choose. Now here you will find all of your created shortcuts. Select the Wi-Fi shortcut that you just created, and once the Wi-Fi shortcut added, you can resize the Wi-Fi shortcut just like so, and that's it. Now I can easily turn on and turn off Wi-Fi using this shortcut just like so. Here we can see Wi-Fi is turned on. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.